Hello and welcome back to our ServiceNow GRC series. In previous video, we looked at the challenges and consideration that organizations face when implementing GRC, along with strategies to overcome them. Now that we have seen the roadblocks, let's talk about measuring progress. Every organizations want to know where do we currently stand in our GRC journey and what does maturity looks like. That's where the GRC maturity checklist comes in. It helps organization evaluate their process, identify gaps and plan the path forward. Today we will walk through the four maturity levels: initial, developing, managed and optimized. At the initial stage, organizations are just starting out the GRC. Ad hoc processes, governance, risk, and compliance activities happen in silos. Different teams use different methods with no consistent framework. Limited automation, most work is manual, spreadsheet for risks, email for compliance, and shared drives for policies. Minimal reporting, reports are reactive, created on demand, often missing key metrics. Siloed data information is fragmented across departments, risk teams, compliance teams, and audit teams may not even share a common source of truth. At this level, GRC is mostly reactive. Organizations respond to issue only when they arise. Next comes the developing stage, where structure starts to take shape. Defined workflows, process for risk assessment, compliance checks, or audits are clearly documented and consistently followed. Basic automation, some manual tasks are replaced with ServiceNow workflows, but automation is still limited. Reports are generated periodically, providing visibility into risk and compliance status. Partial integration, GRC connects with a few other modules like ITSM or vendor management, but full enterprise integration is not achieved yet. At this level, GRC is moving from reactive to proactive, laying the foundation for scalability. The managed stage is where GRC becomes an enterprise wide initiative. Fully documented process. Every governance, risk, and compliance process is standardized and centrally managed. Extensive automation, workflows, notification, evidence collection, and even some risk scoring are automated in ServiceNow. Advanced reporting dashboards and analytics provide real real-time insights helping leaders make data-driven decisions. Enterprise integration, GRC integrate across business functions, IT, HR, finance, operations, creating a single system of record. At this level, GRC is strategic. It's not just about compliance, it's about improving decision making and resilience. Optimized level. Finally, the optimized stage, the gold standard of GRC maturity. Predictive analytics. Instead of only reporting on what happened, the system predicts what might happen, following organization to act in advance. Continuous improvement, feedback loops ensures process and refine regularly, keeping the program agile. Benchmarking, organization compare their GRC performance against industry standard, ensuring competitiveness and regulatory leadership. AI and ML integration, artificial intelligence and machine learning are leveraged to identify hidden risks, detect compliance, and recommend proactive actions. At this level, GRC is a business enabler, driving efficiency, resilience, and even competitive stage advantages. To recap, the initial stage is ad hoc and reactive. The developing stage introduces structure and basic automation. The managed stage creates an enterprise-wide automated and integrated framework. And the optimized stage uses predictive analytics, AI, and continuous improvement to achieve world-class governance and resilience. Most organizations fall somewhere between developing and managed, and that's perfectly fine. The checklist is not about perfection, it's about knowing where you are today and building a roadmap to move higher. In the next video, we will dive into the GRC authorization matrix, exploring how organization can measure effectiveness through KPIs and metrics. Thank you.